For you to study and do very well in solar energy, you need to come to Rexam Solar Academy, where it can be detailed to you. You will have the full knowledge of solar energy to the tiniest of it. You'll be able to discover how this solar panel is escapulated. When I was talking about escapulated layers to my trainees, a lot of questions were coming up, and on these notes I took my time to teach them how to choose the right solar panel for their job, how to choose the panel that can be able to generate the required voltage or wattage for the job they are doing. That is why in this video you need to watch it to the end to find out why people use 100 watts, why people use 500 watts, and why people choose 300 watts. Then in this video you will equally have to come to the knowledge of what we call plate rights. Look at this. The plate rights on this panel, this thing I'm pointing at now, is actually a housing that contains rectifiers, but below it you see there's a sticker, as we call it in the commercial market. Those stickers explain the features, the things that the panel can do and what it cannot do. In that plate right, you will be able to see the maximum voltage it can generate, the minimum voltage it can generate, the open circuit voltage, and the optimal operational voltage. All these things are detailed by the manufacturers in order to guide an installer and do his calculations of load. When you choose a lower wattage, you will only generate lower energy that will not be able to charge your batteries effectively. So the first thing I do as an installer is to do my calculations by choosing the size of panel that I want to use. Why do people choose 650 watts over 300 watts? Yes, because of the capacity of the energy they want to generate, and the same way they want to reduce the number of solar panels on top of their roof. They decide to go for higher wattage. You can actually use multiple number of 300 watts to generate the energy that 650 watts can do for us. But here you need to understand how to calculate it. You have to calculate the size of voltage that you want to generate according to your charge controller or according to what you want to power. If you are using this for DC format like your DC pump or your Sumo, you should be able to calculate the operational voltage of that Sumo and equate it with the number of solar panels that should be able to give you such voltage when placed on the roof. In the same way, when you have less load, you get more.